Okay, here we have a 1927 Triumph. The Triumph work Nuremberg, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or Nuremberg.
Nuremberg, yeah.
A German one. Anyway, Andy Tiernan Classics.
Yeah, let's get the plug in. And apparently the engines were sent over from Triumph Coventry to the German works,
yeah.
and some of the other mechanics, and the rest of it was fabricated out there.
Sturmy Archer.
Yeah.
Gearbox.
Mr. Steamy gearbox underneath there somewhere.
Yeah, it's written on underneath.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
I thought that was in German.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, fire it up, shall we? Yeah. There we go. You're going to go around the controls?
Yeah. Traditional type valve lifter.
Yeah.
Your ignition advance and retard. So it's the tight is fully advanced.
Yeah.
So that's fully advanced. About halfway. Choke. Well, it's a combination of choke and throttle on the AMAC carburetor, isn't it? So you're sort of
Tweaking
it to the right mixture. Yeah. A twist grip. Tight throttle.
And a nice German label. The Germans love their labels and plates.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what that one is.
Yeah.
Is it in English? Maybe. The guy's added a British speedo with a nice touch thing. He's had it kilometric. Yes. Yes. That's a nice bit.
It's nice, yeah.
Bosch magneto, the best of best magnetos.
Yeah.
Apparently the chap has done a gaslight run on 14 miles with a little light just clipped on this lovely little bracket here. Rather him than me.
Yeah.
It's the controls that the oil controls that we're going to show up running.
Yeah. We've got an oil tap, so don't forget to turn the oil on.
Yeah.
Fuel tap with a long lever.
Extra long, yeah.
Yeah. So we'll dig up the carburetor. There we go.
Oh, I forgot the one thing here. The Germans, their love of signs. Another one.
Another plate. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so we set the ignition.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a little half
Yeah.
decompressor there as well, isn't
Yeah.
it? So
Don't generally do that.
no. These are over top head.
It's well advanced, my boy.
Trying.
Yeah. Now getting into the oil.
So you can see the oil coming through. You've got a pump here, a manual pump if you want to give it extra. You want to smoke out the cars behind you.
How about the charging system?
It's got an electronic regulator fitted into the headlight, so it charges as well. Oh, you can see.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Who knows? That's been a very sweet machine. Where are the gears on the colour?
First gear is back towards you.
Yeah.
Second and third are forward.
So you wouldn't be in the way when you're riding.
Yeah.
Mix anyway. start me then. There we go. Hot start.
Hot start.
Get just over compression.
Yeah. Better retard the ignition a bit, wouldn't we?